Lawmaker has dared Kingdom of Jesus Christ or KOJC leader Apollo Quiboloy to show up and face the Senate investigation into his alleged abuses. This comes after the religious group leader released an audio statement containing his conditions for his surrender. Senate Deputy Minority Leader Risa Hontiveros challenges Quiboloy to tell his allegations in front of lawmakers. She maintains that the Senate probe will continue with or without the religious leader.
Pastor Quiboloy, lumabas ka na sa lungga mo. Total, nagpapa-interview ka naman sa mga vlogger. Magpa-interview ka na rin sa amin sa Senado. Kung totoong matapang ka, ulitin mo lahat ng mga sinabi mo tungkol sa Senado. Dito sa Senado. Record your shameless audacity in history. Patunayan mo, ganyang paring kabastos ang mga salita mo pagkaharap mo na kaming mga senador. Hindi ka namin uurungan.